Are you an aspiring game developer tired of building engaging HTML5 games completely from scratch? Do you often find the process of creating high-quality, cross-platform games incredibly time-consuming and challenging to master? Imagine having a powerful collection of 10 ready-to-launch game templates at your fingertips, saving you countless hours of development effort. Introducing the Phaser 3 Game Bundle Volume 1, your ultimate solution for effortlessly building and deploying stunning HTML5 games. This incredible bundle provides a diverse selection of 10 complete, high-quality games, all meticulously built with the robust Phaser 3 framework. You get full access to the meticulously crafted and clean source code for every game, allowing for unparalleled customization, learning, and modification. Easily reskin, modify, and expand upon these professional-grade games to perfectly fit your unique creative vision or specific client requirements. Each game is expertly designed for full responsiveness, ensuring a flawless and enjoyable experience across all modern web browsers, desktops, and mobile devices. Enjoy truly immersive gameplay with seamless full-screen support, vibrant sound effects, and captivating background music already integrated for maximum impact. Monetize your creations immediately with pre-configured AdMob integration, ready to generate valuable revenue from your published games. The bundle includes a diverse range of popular genres, from thrilling action-packed adventures to addictive logic puzzles, offering something for every player and market. Benefit from clean, well-documented code that makes understanding and modifying each game straightforward for developers of all skill levels. High-quality graphics and smooth animations accompany every title, guaranteeing a professional and polished look right out of the box. Don't let complex game development hurdles slow down your creative progress any longer. Accelerate your game creation journey and start publishing exciting, revenue-generating HTML5 experiences today with confidence. Grab the Phaser 3 Game Bundle Volume 1 and truly transform your game development workflow. Find the link to purchase this essential bundle directly in the description below and unlock your full game development potential right now.